In today's video we are putting a full exhaust system and slip-on the XR. This is the S1000XR with the standard exhaust and headers. The sound of the standard exhaust. We have now removed the standard exhaust and cat. We are using our ABBA Skylift for easier access when fitting the new headers. Right, let's hear the new exhaust. The standard exhaust compared to the new exhaust. By changing the standard exhaust and headers to the new exhaust and headers, the weight reduction is 7.1 kilograms. We have also removed the centre stand, pillion pegs and luggage rack, which also reduces the weight by 9 kilograms.